My content is now generated. I will be running a campaign. So I can select the campaign name, the start date of the campaign, the channels to be targeted are email, WhatsApp right now, and hit on the proceed button. The campaign main screen is pretty simple and easy to understand. As AIQoD360 uses its GenAI powered capabilities, it is actually a mix of both the email marketing tool and a cold emailing platform. So it follows all the best practices required to make the email delivered in the primary inbox by following the best practices of cold emailing. So it will give you the option of how many emails you would want to send on a daily basis. If you do a bulk reach out, most of the emails land in the spam folder. Hence, the campaign screen is actually asking you to control the settings. So, as a best practice, I will be sending only 50 emails per day per prospect, and instead of sending out the bulk emails, the system is actually giving you an option of taking breaks to mimic the human activity. So I will be setting up the gap between 120 to 180 seconds. And there is also an unsubscribe text which will allow the uninterested people to unsubscribe instead of marking you as report. So it is very good and easy to understand how AIQoD 360 gives you that capability of using the right platform. The campaign management system in AIQoD 360 allows you to reach out to people from multiple channels in just one click. So you can select the campaign name, you can select the start date, campaign channels, and you can also select the sending email account from which the campaign will be started. Now, AIQoD 360 also gives you an understanding of following the best practices. So it gives you the best of both the tools of email marketing and cold emailing platform. By helping you to control the sending limit, you can actually set how many emails you want to send on a daily basis so that your email accounts remain in a good shape. You can also select how much time you would need to send the emails. There you can select a gap. This will help you in mimicking the human activity, which will allow the email deliverability to be high, and their chances of email landing in the primary inbox will also increase. It will also have the unsubscribe text link, which will help the people to unsubscribe if they're not finding the services relevant, and there is also an email tracking available. So if you click on this, you will be able to see how many people are opening up your emails, how many people are replying to your emails. So the end-to-end tracking is also there. Once you hit the complete button, you can select the leads to whom you want to reach out via multiple channels. Click on proceed, and then this is how the emails will be generated. Here you can select the post topic automatically. The previously generated content will be visible here in this box, and you can actually edit it. You can actually edit the text, colors, and if you want to do any kind of editing in the content and the context, you can do that. Hit on complete button, and then automatically the system will reach out to the leads via WhatsApp and email, as we have selected these two channels. This is how the email is coming, as I've added myself as the test email. So it's short, crisp, and here is the unsubscribe link. So if I click here, I will be unsubscribed from the platform, and then system will not reach out to me. This will help me in saving the email account from getting flagged or getting reported.